Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Claude API returning empty or truncated responses. If the Claude API is returning empty responses or cutting answers off before they're complete, the problem is often related to how the request is being constructed rather than the model itself. Insufficient output token limits, missing continuation logic, or incorrectly formatted system prompts are among the most common causes. The good news is that these issues can usually be resolved by adjusting your request configuration, allowing the model to continue generating longer responses automatically and formatting your system prompt correctly. In this guide, you'll walk through each of these fixes. The first step is to open your terminal. Once your terminal is open, run the provided script that updates your payload configuration. This script modifies your API request so the model has significantly more room to generate a complete response. In particular, it increases the available output allowance so Claude isn't forced to stop early simply because it has reached the response limit. Giving the model enough breathing room is especially important when you're requesting long explanations, large code samples, detailed reports, multi-step reasoning, long conversations. After applying the updated payload configuration, test your application again. If the response is still being cut off, the next step is to implement automatic continuation. Return to your terminal. Run the provided script that implements an auto continuation loop. Rather than ending the interaction when Claude reaches the end of its current response, this logic automatically detects incomplete outputs and continues requesting the remaining content. This creates the appearance of one continuous response even when multiple API calls are required behind the scenes. Auto continuation is particularly useful for applications that regularly generate lengthy outputs, such as documentation generators, coding assistants, AI writing tools, research assistants, report generators. Next, if you're receiving completely empty responses instead of shortened ones, the issue may be caused by how your prompt is structured. Still in your terminal, run the provided script that corrects system prompt formatting. This script ensures your application is using the dedicated root-level system parameter, instead of placing system instructions in an incorrect location within the request. Using the proper system parameter helps Claude correctly interpret your instructions before processing the user's messages. Improperly formatted system prompts can sometimes result in empty outputs, unexpected behavior, ignored instructions, incomplete responses. After applying the formatting changes, save your project and run your application again. To summarize, fixing empty or truncated Claude API responses begins by updating your payload configuration so the model has enough output capacity to generate complete answers. Next, implement the provided auto continuation loop so your application can automatically continue long responses whenever they reach the output limit. Finally, correct your system prompt formatting by using the dedicated root-level system parameter, ensuring Claude receives your instructions exactly as intended and avoiding issues caused by improperly structured requests. By combining a properly configured payload, automatic continuation logic, and correctly formatted system prompts, you can eliminate many of the most common causes of incomplete or empty responses. These improvements make your Claude-powered applications more reliable, produce longer and more consistent outputs, and ensure the model can fully respond to complex prompts without unnecessary interruptions. And that's how to fix Claude API responses that are empty or get cut off. By increasing the response capacity in your payload, adding automatic continuation for longer outputs, and correctly formatting your system prompt using the dedicated root-level parameter, you can greatly improve the completeness and reliability of Claude's responses in your applications. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.